I recently had a problem with the outside water, and we had to redo the line going into the house. And now when I check the water pressure, all of my, almost everything is working pretty good. But my problem is my sink, my kitchen sink, is not working well. So I checked everything. Water's flowing good. So all of my sinks seem to have water coming out of them well. So that's got good water. I come to my kitchen sink right here and I turn it on. Look at the water. It's barely coming out. So I'm going to show you how to fix low water pressure when you have it only in one particular area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this head off like that. Then I'm going to pull this out of here. And you sometimes you can do it with your fingers, but I'm going to need the channel locks. All right, so you get your channel locks. You're going to put them right on here. You're just going to twist that. Because usually it's just the aerator. And most of these kitchen faucets have the exact same thing. And there it is. Now you got to be careful. You don't want to do it. Whoops, I'm already losing stuff. You want to make sure that you don't lose everything down your drain. So let's put them all over here. And let's check the water now. So it still doesn't look super strong. But when it goes in there, it's supposed to explode much stronger. So we get a toothpick, and I'm going to see if there's any debris in there. And this seems to be pretty clear. So I think that's good. So the next thing is we got to clean our aerator out. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to blow through this. And try to get the air out. And I'm going to scrub the ends of these with a brush. All right, so I'm going to turn the water on a little bit. And then I'm going to get in here and just scrub these with an old toothbrush. Not the one that I use for my brushing my teeth, though. And I want to get inside here, clean this out really good. Because it could have some gunk in there. I may have to replace this head. I don't know. We're going to find out in a minute. So I'm going to clean that out. And then we'll see. And then I'm going to put it back on here for just a second and see if we get a little bit better flow coming out of there. So now it seems like it's a little bit stronger, right? So if I go to the aerator, that's the aerator. And that's our bristles. So we may have gotten some debris stuck in there from when I changed the water line outside. I'm going to show you that too. So let's take that off. We're going to double make sure that we cleaned it good. And so you see here, it's a little valve that pushes down. And then each one of these here, you can push through because you might have gotten some debris in there. So I'm just going to open these up, each one of these. This one here's got something hard on it. So if you do that, you can just use a toothpick to do it. And I'm doing each and every hole. And you can see there's a lot of debris there. Yep. This way, it opens them up, gets the dirt out of there. Give it a couple of pops. Go all the way around. Make sure you get them all. And that should open that up a little bit. So we already cleaned it off. Now, we got to go in here. First of all, I don't want to lose any parts, so I'm going to set that there. And this is our aerator. that we pulled out of the front of this. We unscrewed it, so we want to clean this off. Now we already took this washer off. We're going to leave that over here. And then if you look, you're going to see there's a lot of debris on there. So I'm just going to put a little water to come through, and I'm going to go in here, and I'm going to scrub it. I'm going to scrub both sides. I'm going to pull it out of here. This is the thing that goes in. We'll set that over there. And then we're going to go ahead and get this nice and clean. So you can scrub your aerator with a brush, get all the debris off of it, get all that clean, you know, just clean it all really good. Or you can purchase new aerators. So I've got a couple new ones here. So I'm going to try one of these new ones and see how it works in there and see if it helps. So anyway, you can see these are basically the exact same thing. They're just a little bit different color. And this one, when I look in there, I can see a lot of debris in there. So I'm going to try this new one. And, you know, if you cleaning this old one doesn't work, you can use your new one. It's good. All right, so so you take threads up, slide it in, that goes to the top, and then you've got a little washer here that you got to put on. All right, so first I'm going to put the washer in. All right, then I'm going to just screw this in, aerator, you know, just with my fingers. You want to make sure you don't cross thread it. All right, just kind of get it in there tight. And then if you want, you can put a little bit of tension on it with this. Not too much, you know what I mean? Then we got to put her in here. Now, I'm hoping that this solves our problem, because this aerator, when I look into it, I can see a lot of debris inside of it. But who knows? I mean, it might not work. We'll find out in a second. All right, you ready for the T-minus? All right, here we go. You ready? It's a little better. Not much though. Anyway, so I may have to look in. I mean, it's working, but it's not working. It's not super strong. All right, so that's how you change the aerator. I don't know if Lynette's going to be happy with that. All right, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff that I've never done before. Peace out.